Dear student, welcome to this session. I am Khalil Ahmed Chikero, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SS Government First Grade College, Nirgund. In this session, before going to numerical methods, recapitulation some important definition and the definition of matrix types, so system of linear equation. So let us start with matrices. Definition: a matrix of order or size m cross n is a rectangular array of numbers, real or complex, having m rows and n columns. It can be displayed in the following form: A equal to A11 A12 dash dash A1n, A21 A22 dash dash A2n dash dash AM1 AM2 and AM dash dash AMN. So suffix represent the element in which the element is occurred. So A11 means first row first column element, A12 first row second column element. Like this, A1n is first row n column element. Last, AM1 AM2 means M1 represent mth row and first column, mth row second column M2, AMN means m row and n column. So let some types, important types. Square matrix. A matrix is called square matrix if m equal to n, that is number of rows equal to number of column. Square matrix leads to determinant. So next, definition of determinant. If the matrix A is a square, then we associate with a real number denoted by delta, or A, capital A, can be written in the A11 A12 dash dash A1n, A21 A22 dash dash A2n, AN1 AN2 dash dash ANN, called the determinant A of order n. So determinant is always square, so size and order is always n cross n, so n is the order of determinant. So yes, nth order determinant. Triangular matrix. A matrix in which all the elements below and above the main diagonals are 0. So D, example, D equal to 1 0 0, 0 2 0, 0 0 3. So A11, A22, A33 constitute the main diagonal. So A11, A22 and A33 elements are called main diagonal elements. So all the elements below and above the diagonal elements are 0, is called triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. A matrix in which all the elements below the main diagonals are 0. D, example, D equal to 1 3 4, 0 2 5, 0 0 3. So here 1 2 3 constitute the main diagonal. So below the diagonal elements, so all the elements are 0. So this type of a matrix is called upper triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix. A matrix in which all the elements above the main diagonals are 0. So D equal to 1 0 0, 3 2 0, 4 5 3. So here also 1 2 3 is the constitute the main diagonal. So above all the elements above the diagonals are 0. So next important concept is elementary transformation of matrix. The following operation performed on the rows and columns of a matrix, which are called elementary transformation of a matrix. First, interchanging of ith and jth row or same as column. Second, multiplying all the elements of ith row or column by a non-zero scalar k. Third, adding the elements of ith row column a scalar k times the corresponding elements of jth row. So these three operations, row or column, is called elementary transformation of a matrix, and it does not change its properties, rank of a rank and other. They are equivalent. If you any finite number of operation on matrix, the matrix remains same. So equivalent matrix. Two matrices are said to be row or column equivalent if one matrix can be obtained from the other by a finite number of elementary row or column transformation. So suppose A and B are equivalent, we say that B is obtained from A by a number of elementary row or column operation. So system of linear equation. Let the general system of linear equation represented by m equation with n unknown, a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus dash dash plus a1n xn equal to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus dash dash plus a2n xn equal to b2, like this up to am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus dash dash plus amn xn equal to bm. So here a11, a12, a1 dash dash a1n is coefficient of x1, x2 respectively, and b1 is a constant, so which can be expressed, which can be represented by the matrix equation Ax equal to b. Both are equivalent. The given system of equation and in a matrix form, matrix equation Ax equal to b, where A equal to matrix a11, a12 dash dash a1n, a21, a22, a2n dash dash am1, am2 dash dash amn, and matrix B is b1, b2 dash dash bm, and x equal to x1, x2 dash dash xn. A is called the coefficient matrix of the system. Since A constitutes by taking coefficient of unknown, that is x1, x2 dash dash x1 in the first equation, which represent in a matrix first row, second row, like this, corresponding equation represent the coefficient of unknown is known as the elements of that particular row. So A is called the coefficient matrix of the system. The matrix B obtained adjoining B to A is called augmented matrix and denoted by matrix AB. So B is a constant matrix, A is a coefficient matrix, B along with A is called augmented matrix. By solution of system means we mean any set of values x1, x2 dash dash xn satisfying the given equation. So we get set of values, so we get solution of this equation. So these are basic definitions and operation which are very useful for solving numerical method with a different method. In the next session, we will discuss about different method of solving system of linear equation. So these are references. Thank you.